Hi guys, this is Jenny. Today I will show you our drywall screw. This is our samples shelf. Samples for each order will be kept before delivery. Now let's take a look. This one is green phosphate drywall screw. You can see the head. It's very round and fast red and sharp point. This is black phosphate drywall screw. It's cross red. This is drywall screw with jewel bit. And this is collated drywall screw. You can see the color is very shiny. Usually we use the collated drywall screw with this gun. And this is special drywall screw. It has different head and dowel. Head, threads, pitch, essential, all we can manufacture according to your requirements. More details, contents, please follow the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.